Hi, I'm Katie Linendoll, and I am so thrilled to unveil Barbie's Career of the Year for 2018. She is a robotics engineer. And as somebody that has worked in technology my entire life, I am so excited for this and also excited that there is a spotlight being put on engineering. You might not know the statistic, but only 12% of all engineers are female. So Barbie doing her part to say, hey, you know what? You can be anything. In Robotics Engineer Barbie, she comes all hooked up with a laptop. She has a little robot buddy. She even has the engineering goggles and a super cool outfit. And as you can see too, she also comes in 4 different skin tones. And now what do you say? Shall we unbox her? Let's do it. So as you can see, very cool engineering stats right on the back of the box. And note before I even take her out, she comes hooked up with a laptop. She has a little sidekick robot. Very cool little outfit, and also got her engineering goggles on. I feel like a kid opening this up because I have opened up so many Barbies in my lifetime, but it's something extra special as someone that's worked in technology my entire life to be able to open up Robotics Engineering Barbie and to be the first in the world to do so. So here she is. Pretty cool, huh? I'm going to go ahead and pop this off. Cute little robot, right? I was dying to see if there's something on this laptop. Yes, just like the box, there is a little robot on there. How cute is that? Barbie symbol. You know, we were just at Mattel headquarters and they showed us how Barbie's hair gets stitched on. And that is definitely a video. If you're interested in Barbie and the world of dolls, you're definitely going to want to see because it is such a really cool process. But there she is. Love the little outfit. You can take off the denim jacket. Cool little shoes. The goggles, of course, as an engineer, come with. And yes, it looks like you can pop these off too. I just need to cut off those little sides, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep her as is. She's got the laptop. She's got the little robot. Very cool. And I want to show you the 4 different skin tones total, this obviously being one of them. So there you have it, Career of the Year doll. Barbie is a robotics engineer. I'm Katie Linendoll. Stay tuned.